Axon zapped off 2025 with fourth quarter revenue rising 39% year-over-year to $797 million, exceeding expectations, while full-year revenue climbed 33% to $2.8 billion. This marks Axon's fourth consecutive year of annual growth above 30%, signaling sustained demand for its integrated hardware, software, and AI public safety ecosystem, much more than just tasers. Profitability reflected both scale and continued investment. In Q4, net income was $3 million, or 3 cents per diluted share, compared with $135 million a year ago, as operating expenses increased due to headcount growth and stock-based compensation. For the full year, Axon delivered a 4.5% net income margin and a 25.5% adjusted EBITDA margin, demonstrating a balance of strong growth and profitability. Energized excitement also relates to annual recurring revenue, growing 35% to $1.3 billion, charged up by adoption of premium cloud software. Then, to keep a positive charge, net revenue retention accelerated to 125%, reflecting expansion within the installed base and minimal attrition. Annual bookings surged 46% to $7.4 billion, and total future contracted bookings expanded 43% to $14.4 billion, providing substantial long-term visibility. Management expects 20% to 25% of that balance to convert into revenue over the next year, with most of the remainder extending over the following decade. Axon continued to scale both major segments. Connected devices revenue increased 38% in Q4, fueled by strong demand for TASER 10, Axon Body 4, counter-drone solutions, virtual reality training, and fleet systems. Software and services revenue grew 40% to $343 million, reflecting ongoing migration toward higher-margin, subscription-based offerings. While total company gross margin declined to 57.9% due to global tariffs and product mix, software growth partially offset hardware pressures, supporting the idea that long-term margin expansion is tied to recurring revenue. The past year was heavily defined by the acceleration of Axon's AI strategy under its AI Era plan. Management emphasized embedding practical AI capabilities across devices and cloud workflows, beginning with transcription and Draft 1 to reduce administrative burdens. During the year, Axon broadened these tools and introduced Axon Assistant, a voice-activated AI companion integrated directly into body cameras. Axon Assistant provides real-time translation in more than 50 languages and voice-enabled policy guidance, allowing officers to stay hands-free while accessing critical information. Approximately 500 customers are already live on the platform, and management highlighted real-world examples where translation capabilities improved field outcomes. Axon also entered the fixed automatic license plate recognition market with Axon Vehicle Intelligence, launching and shipping the solution in less than a year. The product integrates license plate recognition, live streaming, and AI alerts into a unified workflow and extends beyond traditional plate reads to include vehicle descriptors such as make, color, and visible damage. New hardware form factors, including Outpost and Lightpost, along with the Works with Axon third-party camera certification program, further expand ecosystem interoperability. Management framed responsible innovation and embedded privacy controls as competitive differentiators, arguing that trust and governance are becoming key drivers of customer wins. Looking beyond traditional law enforcement, Axon expanded into enterprise markets. Axon Body Mini, expected to ship in mid-2026, is a compact body-worn camera designed for retail, healthcare, and logistics environments. It brings features such as two-way voice, live streaming, Meta Coach, and Axon Assistant to commercial customers. Management sees this as a meaningful extension of its platform into adjacent verticals, where safety, documentation, and coordination challenges mirror those in public safety. Another major move was Axon's expansion into emergency communications. The acquisitions of Prepared and Carbine support the launch of Axon 911, designed to modernize call handling with AI-enabled transcription, translation, automated summaries, and real-time data integration. Carbine, acquired for $625 million, processes over 250 million data points annually and serves hundreds of agencies globally. By integrating emergency call data directly into Axon's broader ecosystem, management envisions a seamless workflow from the first call for help through response and evidence management. CEO Rick Smith described AI leadership as essential to becoming an indispensable partner to customers, reinforcing a strategy centered on deepening relationships and expanding use cases. From a balance sheet perspective, Axon ended the year with $1.7 billion in cash and investments against $1.8 billion in outstanding convertible and senior notes, resulting in a modest net debt position of $112 million, improved sequentially despite acquisition activity. Operating cash flow was $217 million in Q4, supporting free cash flow of $155 million, though both were lower year over year due to working capital timing and inventory investments. For 2026, management guided to revenue growth of 27% to 30% and an adjusted EBITDA margin of 25.5%, implying another year of strong double-digit expansion at scale. Capital expenditures are expected between $185 million and $215 million, reflecting ongoing R&D and capacity investments. Stock-based compensation is projected between $590 million and $620 million, including performance-based programs tied to stock price and operational milestones. Longer term, Axon introduced ambitious 2028 targets of $6 billion in annual revenue and a 28% adjusted EBITDA margin, alongside adjusted free cash flow conversion of 60% of EBITDA and annual dilution below 2.5%. Having already surpassed its prior three-year target of $2 billion in revenue, management expressed confidence that its expanded portfolio across hardware, SaaS, AI, and now 911 communications provides a durable runway for sustained, profitable growth. To keep tabs on Axon and other stocks with ambitious goals heading towards 2028, take a look at TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.